this here is our third floor and second floor lighting blueprints. So this explains to us exactly where all the light fixtures go, and how they are controlled by the switches and where they're located for the hallway that we're currently standing in, and then for all of the sleeping units, and then the staircases, just like that, on the second and third floor. And each one is designated with a different letter, number arrangement, number of switch, so we know what type of light fixture we're installing and what type of switch we're using, if it's a single pole switch or a three-way switch.